Namaste students. In the last session we have studied about a positive resonance effect. Today let us study about another type of a resonance effect that is called as a negative resonance effect. Now what is this negative resonance effect? In order to study this, let us consider one of the example, that is a group attached to the aromatic ring. A group called NO2, that is a nitro group. We have studied the actual structure of this nitro group. Nitro NO2 means we know that nitrogen, the number of valence electrons present in the nitrogen is always 5. That means here one of the bond is to the atom of any other group. Okay, this bond, that is a covalent bond. 2 more oxygens are present here. One of the oxygen is bonded by a double bond, and 3 covalency of the nitrogen is completed here, and 2 more electrons remains, that is a lone pair. 5 electrons are there here in the valence shell of nitrogen. 1, 2, 3. 3 are used for the formation of the covalent bond. Remaining 2 electrons, we know that these electrons are called what? Lone pair of electrons or the non-bonding electrons. Now this NO2 group contains 2 oxygen atoms, means one more oxygen atom is bonded to the nitrogen, that is by the donation of electrons by this nitrogen atom. Both the electrons are donated by the nitrogen atom for the formation of the bond with the oxygen. Okay, since both the electrons are donated by a single atom for the formation of this new bond, this type of a bond, it is not a covalent bond, this type of a bond is always called as a coordinate bond. That bond is called as a coordinate bond, coordination bond or a coordinate bond. Now if you consider this, 2 electrons of the nitrogen are used for the formation of the bond with the oxygen. During the formation of the bond, even though it donates 2 electrons, 1 electron retains with the nitrogen atom only and another electron is donated to the oxygen. That means loss of 1 electron takes place to this nitrogen, 1 electron is gained by this oxygen, it becomes minus. This is the actual formula of what? Nitro group. Instead of writing the here plus and minus, we can also indicate the coordination bond by writing double bond over here, by writing arrow mark where the arrow head pointing towards what? Oxygen atom. Either we can write like this, plus and minus, or we can write the arrow mark, arrow head pointing towards the oxygen. This shows that electron is donated to the oxygen, nitrogen is in the state of what? Electron deficient. Now this nitro group, if it is attached to an aromatic ring, always it shows which effect? Negative resonance effect. How this negative resonance effect takes place in the nitro group? Let us consider a benzene ring. C6H6. One of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the nitro group. I'll write here to explain the negative resonance effect. N double bond O. Another bond is a coordination bond with the sign plus and minus. Instead of writing like that, we can also write the arrow mark, arrowhead pointing towards the oxygen. I will write here arrow mark with the oxygen atom where the arrowhead pointing towards the oxygen. This shows that nitrogen is in the state of electron deficient, oxygen is in the state of what? Electron rich. Understood? Now here you can see this is a coordinate bond present here. Only 3 covalent bonds are formed with this nitrogen atom, and you can see here nitrogen atom attached to the carbon atom of the benzene ring is in the state of what? Electron deficient. This nitrogen plus and minus coordination bond, nitrogen is in the state of electron deficient. Anyway we know that compared to the carbon, nitrogen atom is always highly electronegative. This highly electronegative element is in the state of electron deficient because of the formation of what? Coordinate bond, means nitrogen readily withdraws the electron from where? Benzene ring. Withdrawal of electron takes place. The pi electron gets shifted to the nitrogen atom. Shift of electron is nothing but formation of a new bond. Understood? Now I'll write the resonance. We know that the indication of the resonance here is always we have to write the forward and backward headed arrow mark to represent the resonance. Now I'll write the resonance structure. Listen here students. Here these 2 bonds we have not involved in the resonance of this. Now we have to write here shift of electrons. Single bond becomes double bond, N. Coordination bond remains as such. Okay, arrow mark with the oxygen, coordination bond. Here, double bond O is there. Listen now, here students. Once a new bond is formed here, we know that covalency of nitrogen is always 3. It cannot form 4 covalent bond like carbon atom. It is not the stable state for that. Therefore, once the shift of electron takes place to the nitrogen atom from the benzene ring, pi electrons present between the nitrogen and oxygen. The pi bond is there here, double bond is there here. We know that oxygen is more electronegative compared to what? Nitrogen. Hence, once this shift of electron takes place from the benzene ring towards the nitrogen atom, the valency of the nitrogen becomes 4. It is not the stable state for this nitrogen or the molecule. Therefore, to attain the stability, the pi electron present between the nitrogen and oxygen gets shifted to what? Oxygen atom. One more shift takes place. That means I'll write here itself shift to this nitrogen atom. Again one more shift to what? Oxygen. Once the shift of electrons takes place, double bond between the oxygen and the nitrogen atom becomes a single bond and oxygen gains what? Extra electron. Listen here students. Pi bond is shifted towards the oxygen atom. Pi bond gets shifted to the oxygen means 2 electrons are there here. It is a covalent bond. 1 electron of this oxygen, 1 electron of this nitrogen. Once the shift of pair of electron takes place, 1 electron of the same atom goes to that atom itself and it gets extra, not 2 electron, 1 electron of what? Nitrogen. Therefore, we have to write what? 1 negative sign. Followed now. 2 electrons are shifted, but one of the bonded pair of electron is of the oxygen only. Therefore, we should not write 2 negative charges. It gains extra electron from the nitrogen. Therefore, 1 electron it gains, we have to write what? Minus sign. Understood? See, first resonance we have written. Now what happens once the electron gets shifted to the nitrogen atom? Once the electron gets shifted to the nitrogen atom from the benzene ring. You can see here, this is a pi electron where we have written the shift to the nitrogen atom. This is a pi bond, a covalent bond. This is 1 electron of this carbon atom, 1 electron of this carbon atom. Once the shift takes place, a new bond is formed here. Understood, students? A new bond is formed here. Anyway, these electrons are get shifted to the nitrogen atom. 1 electron of this, 1 electron of this. Once the new bond is formed here, electron loss doesn't take place to this carbon atom. Understood? No. Anyway, if the electrons are present here or if the electrons are present here, this carbon doesn't loses any electron. It has that single electron, but loss of electron takes place to this carbon atom. Understood? Once the shift takes place, loss takes place to this carbon atom. If you count the valency, 1, 2, one more is with the hydrogen. It has got only 3 valencies. Loss of electron takes place. I have to write now deficiency. 1 electron deficient in this carbon atom. Therefore, we have to write what? Plus sign. Understood, students? Now, this is the first resonance structure I have written. And you can see here the molecule doesn't retains at this state for a long time because it has got a positive charge. Along with that, the oxygen has got a negative charge here. That means it is not a highly stable condition for the molecule. Process goes on, continues to attain the stability or the comfortable state. Now what happens here? Listen here students, once it reaches to this state, within a fraction of second, it doesn't take a maximum time. Within a fraction of second, next resonance takes place. Resonance is nothing but a shift of electrons, delocalization of electrons. Understood? Delocalization itself is called, delocalization means no fixed position. Delocalization itself called what? Resonance. That means another resonance takes place here. To satisfy this carbon atom, electron deficient carbon atom, one more resonance takes place. Delocalization takes place. See? Shift takes place, shift of electron takes place to the next position to satisfy this carbon atom. Now what happens once that shift takes place? We can see here, I'll write double bond N, coordination bond with the oxygen, and double bond here becomes single bond O minus. Clear now students? Now here this bond we have not involved in the particular resonance structure. Okay, now the shift of electron takes place to this position. 2 electron get shifted here, a new bond is formed in this position. Okay, a new bond, see, shift from here to here means a new bond is formed. A bond contains always, it contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. 1 electron of this now gets shifted to this carbon atom, positive becomes neutral, and another electron satisfies the valency of this carbon atom. Understood? That means shift takes place to this position means you can see here whether the bond present in this position or in this position. No loss to this carbon atom now. Loss takes place to this carbon atom. It loses its single electron and it is donated to this carbon atom where the positive becomes what? Neutral. That means the loss of electron takes place to this carbon atom here. What I should write now? Plus. Again, the next resonance takes place. One more resonance structure we have to write. In order to attain the stability, another delocalization takes place. Shift of electrons, pi electrons takes place, resulting in the formation of one more resonance structure. I'll write here double bond N, coordination bond with the oxygen. Double bond becomes single bond O minus, and here the new bond formed in this position. Clear now, students? Plus, once the shift takes place, this becomes neutral. A new bond is formed here. No loss to this carbon atom. Whether the pi bond is present here or present here, no loss to this carbon atom. Loss of electron takes place to this carbon atom. What I should write now? Plus. Understood? Now, again, to attain the stability, further delocalization takes place. Shift of electron takes place. To satisfy this carbon atom, once again, the shift of electron takes place from the nitrogen atom. Again, it gets shifted to the benzene ring itself. Once the shift takes place, double bond between the carbon and nitrogen becomes a single bond. Again, this nitrogen, to satisfy its valency, always it should contain 3 covalent bonds. Therefore, once the shift of electrons takes place to the benzene ring, again the electron from the oxygen atom gets shifted to the nitrogen atom. Understood? That means here a new bond is formed. Followed, now, students? I'll write the last resonance structure. Observe this properly. I'll start writing the bond from here. Double bond, and again here it is a double bond. A new bond is formed here to satisfy the valency of this carbon atom. Shift of electrons means a double bond is formed here. Double bond between the carbon and nitrogen becomes a single bond. Single bond with the nitrogen, coordination bond with the oxygen. Now again the single bond with between the nitrogen and oxygen becomes what now? Double bond O. Understood, students? Now we have completed one complete cycle of this resonance effect in the case of a nitro group attached to the benzene ring. If a nitro group attached to a benzene ring, always the compound is called what? Nitrobenzene. This compound is called as a nitrobenzene. This is a nitrobenzene compound. If you consider this nitrobenzene compound, always the polarity will be created. All the electronic effects leads to the formation of what? 2 poles or 2 charged ends, positive end as well as the negative end. Here also, if you consider the nitro group, because of this electronic effect, displacement of electrons, positive as well as the negative ends are created here. And you can see various resonance structures I have written in the case of the resonance effect in a nitrobenzene. Okay, you can see here, because of the presence of a nitro group attached to the benzene ring, at some of the positions, we know the name of this position, which carbon this is. In the last session we have studied this. This is the ortho. Next position here, this is the para, and next here it is the meta, next again here it is the ortho. Because of the presence of a NO2 group, you can see here, students, ortho, para, and next ortho position becomes what? Electron deficient. Understood? That means attached group decreases the electron density of the benzene ring. The attached group decreases the electron density of what? Benzene ring. This type of effect where the shift of electrons takes place, the shift of electrons takes place towards the attached group is always called as a negative resonance effect. Followed, students? Negative resonance means the attached group gains the electrons from the benzene ring. Thereby, the electron density of the benzene ring, what happens? Decreases. Understood? Electron density of the benzene ring, what happens here? Decreases. This type of effect is always called as a negative resonance effect. I hope you have followed this. Once again, I'll write the resonance structures. Dear students, write the resonance structures along with me. The explanation is already over. Now, let us write the resonance structures together. Now, the nitro group always, NO2 group always shows what? A negative resonance effect. Why it shows a negative resonance effect? Because the nitro group means this bond I am writing here, okay, bond with the nitrogen. One of the oxygen atom is bonded to nitrogen by a double bond. Covalency of the nitrogen is completed. Both the pair of electrons required for the bond is donated by the nitrogen. Therefore, the formation of which bond takes place? A coordination bond. Which compound this is? A nitrobenzene. This compound is called what? A nitrobenzene. Followed now? Formula, how to write the nitrobenzene formula? You have to study the actual structure of nitrobenzene. Okay, this is the actual structure of what? A nitro group attached to the benzene ring. Now, let us start the resonance structure. N plus O minus, like that also you can write N plus O minus. Instead of writing this arrow mark, you can write the plus and minus sign also you can write here to show the formation of the coordination bond. Understood? Shift of electron. 2 electrons get shifted to the nitrogen atom. Once the shift takes place, single bond becomes double bond. Electron density or the valency of the nitrogen increases, reaches to an unstable state. Within a fraction of a second, another shift takes place like this. Now, let us write the first resonance structures. Now, here these 2 bonds as such, and shift takes place to the next position. Single bond becomes double bond. N, coordination bond with the oxygen atom. Double bond becomes single bond. O, shift of electrons takes place to the oxygen, gains 1 extra electron of the nitrogen atom, therefore minus sign. No loss to this carbon atom, even though the bond present in this position or get shifted to the next position, no loss to this carbon atom. It retains its electron, understood, but loss takes place to this carbon atom. Again, the next resonance, shift takes place like this. To attain the stability, to reach the comfortable state, another delocalization takes place in the molecule. Hence, we will get another resonance structure, double bond N, single bond O minus, and coordination bond with the O. We have not involved this pi bond. Let us write as such. Shift takes place to this position, okay, and loss of electron to this carbon atom. Again, next resonance like this, arrow mark. You have to follow the arrow mark properly. 3 marks question this is to explain the resonance effect of nitro group. You have to write all the resonance structures, okay. Now, here the bond as such, new bond is formed in this position, get shifted here, new bond is formed in this position, loss takes place to this carbon atom, no loss to this carbon atom. Whether the bond present in this position or in this position, no loss to this carbon atom, loss takes place to this carbon atom, plus how to write. And here it is a double bond N, single bond O minus, coordination bond with the oxygen. Next resonance here, like this, shift takes place. Once the double bond becomes single bond, covalency of the nitrogen reduces to 2. Always it should be 3 to reach the stable state. Therefore, again the shift of electron takes place like this. We will get the last resonance structure of this complete cycle. This bond as such, here like the bond, already present bond, new bond is formed here, plus becomes neutral, double bond becomes single bond, N, coordination bond with the oxygen, single bond becomes double bond. See here students, now the process doesn't stop at this stage. the process goes on continues in the molecule to attain the stability. That means again pi electron gets shifted to the nitrogen atom. This carbon becomes positive. Again shift takes place here. This carbon atom becomes positive. Again shift takes place to this position. This carbon becomes positive. Again the shift from the nitrogen atom. Process goes on continues within the molecule in a fraction of second to attain what? Stability. Now these structures, whatever we have written, these structures are called as a resonance structures. All these structures are called as a resonance structures. Okay. These resonance structures are also called what? Canonical forms. Resonance structures are also called as a canonical forms. Canonical forms. Resonance or the canonical forms. We know that these individual resonance structures doesn't represent a molecule. This is not the actual structure of a molecule. We know that actual structure called as a resonance hybrid structure. Actual structure is always called what? Resonance hybrid. The resonance hybrid structure is obtained from all these canonical forms or from all these resonance structures. Then let us write that actual structure of the nitrobenzene by using these resonance structures. Okay. The actual structure means we have to consider the resonance structures to write the actual structure, which is called as a resonance hybrid structure. Resonance hybrid structure is also called as a true structure of the molecule. Okay. Now here the single bond is present in this. Next resonance structures, it becomes carbon to nitrogen bond becomes double bond. The last resonance structure, if you consider, again it gets converted into a single bond. That means the sigma bond is permanent in all the structures. You can see the sigma bond, presence of a sigma bond. Sigma bond is permanent between the nitrogen atom and carbon atom of the benzene ring. And you can see the next structure, it becomes double bond. Again at the last structure it gets converted into what? Single bond. That means double bond is not permanent. We have to write here the partial double bond. It is not permanent. Again it gets converted into what? Single bond. Therefore double bond is not permanent. Nitrogen we have written coordination bond. In any of the resonance structure, if you consider, no shift of electrons in the coordination bond. We have not written any shift in the coordination bond. Let us write as such. Okay. Here the bond between the nitrogen and one more oxygen. Here it is a double bond. But in other structures you can see it gets converted into a single bond. Double bond is not permanent. At the last structure again, if you observe the last structure, in the last structure again N nitrogen to oxygen bond becomes what? A double bond. Therefore single bond is permanent. In all the structures you can see the single bond, but double bond is not permanent. Again it gets converted into a single bond, isn't it? That means we have to write what? Partial double bond. And oxygen, here it is neutral, first structure. In other structure if you observe, the oxygen atom is in the state of what? Electron rich. It has got a negative sign. At the end of one complete resonance cycle, the oxygen becomes what? Neutral. The negative charge is not permanent. That means we have to write partial negative. Okay students, and if you observe the position of the double bond, position is not fixed. Here it contains a double bond, here it becomes single bond. Here it contains a double bond, again it gets converted into a single bond. That means positions are not fixed. Pi electrons are completely in which state? Delocalized state. That means here we have to write the delocalization of the pi electrons. Let us write delocalization. Delocalization is nothing but a no fixed position, freely moving. Delocalization means freely moving. How many pi electrons are there in the benzene? 6. 3 pi bonds are there in the benzene. That means totally how many electrons are there? 6 electrons are there. Those 6 electrons are in a complete free movement, completely delocalized they are. We have to show the free movement of the pi electrons like this, no fixed position. Position, what happens? Changes in a different resonance structures. Now we have to write, we know that if a group is attached here, we know that already we have studied. Here NO2 group is present means this position is fixed, isn't it? This position is fixed. This carbon is always ortho. this is meta, this is para. From this side, immediate next carbon atom is always ortho. Then this is meta. Like that, we can differentiate the carbon atoms only if a carbon atom of the benzene ring contains what? Any other atom or a group of atoms. Then we can differentiate like this. See here in the ortho position, it carries, this is the position of the NO2 group, immediate next position is the ortho position, it carries a positive charge. But in the next structure it doesn't contain a positive charge in the ortho position, this ortho position, isn't it? That means it is not permanent. What I should write? Partial positive. Clear now students? And if you consider the third resonance structure, this is the para position. It contains a positive charge. In other structure, if you observe, this para position doesn't carry any positive charge. It is not a permanent. Completely it undergo what? Changes. Therefore, again we have to write what? Partial positive in the para position. Next ortho position, if you consider, this is also the ortho, immediate next carbon atom from this side. This is also ortho. Ortho position carries a positive charge. But other structures do not contain the positive charge in the ortho position. It is not permanent for that molecule, continuously changing. Once it gets a positive, again it becomes what? Neutral due to the delocalization of what? Electrons. That means again I have to write what here? Partial positive. If you observe this structure students, this is called a resonance hybrid or a true structure of a nitrobenzene. This is resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid structure. Okay, this is a resonance hybrid of what? Nitrobenzene. You can see here, because of the presence of NO2 group, this nitrogen atom of the NO2 group, since it is in the state of a positively charged, that means electron deficient state, it has a high tendency to withdraw the electron from where? Benzene ring. That means due to the presence of this NO2 group, electron density of the benzene ring, what happened? Decreased. See, ortho and para positions becomes what? Electron deficient. The electron density, overall electron density of the benzene ring, what happened here? Decreased due to the presence of a NO2 group, because the NO2 group withdraws the electron from the benzene ring. Understood? Now, since this NO2 group has a tendency to withdraw the electrons, nothing but shift of electrons, transfer of electrons takes place towards the group attached to the benzene ring. If the shift of electrons takes place towards the group or atom attached to the benzene ring, then that type of a resonance effect is always called what? Negative resonance effect. This is called as a negative resonance effect. Negative resonance effect. Since this group decreases the electron density of the benzene ring, it is always called as a, this group is always called as a ring deactivating group. In the last session we have studied about a ring activating group, but here this is called what? Ring deactivating group. This group is always called as a ring deactivating group because this decreases the electron density. Electrophilic attack to this benzene ring becomes what? Difficult due to the decrease in the electron density of the benzene ring by this NO2 group. It is always called what? Ring deactivating group. Understood students? We have studied one of the example. Now let us consider one more example, that is homework for you. You have to practice to write the resonance structure in another compound, in another group, which shows what? Resonance effect. Now one more group you have to consider now, CHO. Now what is this CHO? Aldehyde group. Aldehyde group, if it is attached to the aromatic ring, always it shows which effect? Negative resonance effect, minus R effect. Resonance effect is also called what? Mesomeric effect. Negative resonance is also called as a negative mesomeric effect. Now I'll consider a benzene ring. One of the hydrogen atom is replaced by CHO. See this bond I am writing here. This bond attached to this carbon atom. Then we know the valency of oxygen. Let us write the group in expanded form. Complete formula. Oxygen valency is 2. And another bond is with the hydrogen. See H. Anyway you can write. Left to you. Any direction you can write. I can write the H here also. Anyway left to you. See students, this is a carbonyl group. We know about this. Oxygen is more electronegative compared to the carbon. Hence, this is not a non-polar bond, highly polar bond. Because of the higher electronegativity of the oxygen, pi electron cloud is more towards the oxygen, partial negative, partial positive. In the carbonyl group, carbon atom is always in the state of what? Electron deficient. Because of this, what happens? Shift takes place like this. Once this shift takes place here, valency of carbon is always 4. Once the shift of electron takes place, carbon is in the state of electron deficient, no? It has the highest tendency to withdraw the electrons. Once the shift of electrons takes place to this carbon atom, valency becomes 5. Now to attain the stability, complete shift of the pi bond takes place to what? Pi electrons takes place to what? Oxygen atom. Understood? Okay, the first structure I will show. The remaining part you can continue, I think. See, benzaldehyde we are writing here. Benzene ring. Here C double bond O and H. Let us complete the valency here. This compound is what? Benzaldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde, this is called as a benzaldehyde. CO bond is a highly polar, partial negative, partial positive. Because of this, shift takes place. Okay. Now once this shift takes place, what happens here? Complete shift of the pi bond takes place, pi electrons takes place to the oxygen atom. Remaining structures you can continue. The first structure, first resonance form I will write. Okay, here these two bonds we have not annulled. This bond gets shifted here, double bond becomes single bond. C, H remains as such. Okay students, H remains as such. Double bond gets converted into single bond, O minus. Here I have to write plus. Remaining part you can continue. Follow now this. This is a minus R or minus M effect in a benzaldehyde. You have to write the resonance structures of this, okay, and you should send the answer. Along with this, you write another homework question. The minus R effect in carboxylic acid group. Okay, carboxylic acid means here C double bond O and another bond here is with the OH. Again similar to the benzaldehyde only, highly polar, shift takes place here, one more shift like this. Remaining part you can continue. This bond doesn't take part in a resonance. Understood now students? You can write the resonance structure of this also. COH group is also a group which shows negative resonance effect attached to the benzene ring I have written, and this compound is called as a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay, negative resonance means shift of electrons takes place towards the group attached to the benzene ring, means it is always a group. That group is called what? Negative, a group which shows negative resonance effect. Understood? Deactivating group, that is, decreases the electron density of the benzene ring. Now these two are the homework for you. By this we have completed the negative resonance effect. Two different types of electron displacements we have completed, inductive effect as well as the resonance effect. Now let us study another type of electron displacement, that is called as a electromeric effect. Electromeric effect. Now what is this electromeric effect? Denoted by writing capital E. Electromeric effect can be denoted by writing what? Capital E. Now what is this electromeric effect? Listen here students, electromeric effect is also a type of electron displacement. It is also a type of electron displacement where complete shift of the pi electrons takes place. Complete shift of the pi electrons takes place towards any one of the atom involved in a multiple bond. Okay, now I will write one of the compound. Observe this properly. See, I have written one of the hydrocarbon. Which hydrocarbon I have written here? Ethene. Ethene is also called what? Ethylene. Ethene or ethylene, both are same. Now we can see here the bond, multiple bond is present between the two carbon atoms. Is it a polar bond? No, this bond is not polar. No difference in the electronegativity of these two atoms because both are identical. That means this bond is always what? A non-polar bond. Non-polar, no polarity, no charge separation, no two different poles in this molecule. It is completely a non-polar molecule. But what happens here? In this non-polar molecule also, polarity will be created, polarity will be produced due to the electron displacement effect. Now, how that polarity will be created here? Listen here students, same example, let us consider first ethene. Okay, the electromeric effect takes place here. How this electromeric effect takes place? The electromeric effect involves which type of electrons? Listen here students, electromeric effect always involves pi electrons. Multiple bond is there here, one of the bond is a sigma bond, another one is a pi bond. Electromeric effect always involves pi electrons. That means complete shift of electrons. If I consider this as a pi bond, complete shift of a pi bond or a pi electrons takes place to any one of the atom, either to this carbon atom or to this carbon atom. Complete shift of pi electrons, not the sigma electrons, pi electrons takes place to any one of the atom involved in a multiple bond. How this shift takes place? How this transfer of electrons takes place? It doesn't take place as such. The pi electron gets shifted to any one of the atom involved in the multiple bond only under the influence of a attacking agent. Under the influence of what? Attacking agent. Listen here students, if this ethene is subjected to the reaction with a proton, any other molecule, if I consider a proton, H plus is nothing but a proton, an attacking agent is present in the reaction mixture means, I'll write the reaction. See ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 undergoes reaction with the hydrogen cyanide. HCN is nothing but hydrogen cyanide. It undergoes ionization in the reaction mixture always in the form of H plus and Cn minus. Now these two are the attacking agents. Always during the reaction H plus ions are present means the attack takes place readily. This attacks the reactant molecule in the beginning. Okay, at first the H plus ion attacks this molecule. Attacking agent is ready to attack this non-polar molecule. No polarity here. This is the ion. In order to attack to this molecule, the molecule also has to contain what? Positive end and negative end. Hence, under the influence of an attacking agent, one of the effect takes place that is called as a electromeric effect. Under the influence of attacking agent, one of the electron displacement takes place that is called as a electromeric effect. Now what is this electromeric effect? Electromeric effect is not permanent for the molecule like resonance or the inductive effect. It is not permanent, it is temporary. That effect occurs only under the influence of what? Attacking agent. If there are attacking agent, then only that effect takes place. Otherwise the molecule remains in which state? Usual state, non-polar state. Understood? Now under the influence of attacking agent, pi electron gets completely shifted to any one of the atom involved in the multiple bond. That is called as a electromeric effect. Dear students, listen here. Electromeric effect is a temporary effect which always takes place under the influence of attacking agent. Okay? Which always involves what? Pi electrons. That means electromeric effect means the complete transfer of pi electrons to any one of the atom. Anyone, we can shift that electron, we can show the shift of electron to this carbon atom also. That means complete transfer of pi electrons to any one of the atom involved in the multiple bond under the influence of what? Attacking agent. Attacking agent is ready means effect occurs, temporary effect only in the presence of this. What happens because of that effect? See, if I consider the shift to this carbon atom, listen here students, CH2, double bond becomes single bond. Next carbon atom, CH2, shift of electron to this carbon, it is a covalent bond, one electron of this, one electron of this. Once the shift takes place, one electron is of the same carbon atom, but along with that it gains one extra electron of this carbon atom, it becomes what? Minus. This carbon atom loses its electron, one electron, it becomes what? Plus. See, under the influence of attacking agent, what happened here? Polarity is created. Polarity is created. Now this can attack readily to what? Negatively charged carbon. Understood? This effect is always called what? Electromeric effect. Followed the students? Now this type of effect, what is the meaning of electromeric effect? It is a temporary effect where the complete transfer of pi electrons takes place to any one of the atom involved in the multiple bond under the influence of attacking agent. Clear now students? Let us study this electromeric effect in detail in the next session. Thank you students.